Welcome to Mac and PC Prime video. And in this video, I will show you how you can easily change your Gmail password. First thing to know is that you don't change the password in your specific Gmail settings here, but in the overall Google account settings. So the Gmail password is connected to your overall Google account, which gives you access to all the Google applications that you can see here, including, of course, Gmail. So, the password will change for all Google applications at the same time to change your Google password. We click on our Google icon, which of course means that you need to be logged in, by the way, to get to your Google account. You don't have to be in Gmail like I am right now. You can simply open Google in a tab and see your Google account icon on the top right. Now, once we have clicked on our icon, we select Manage your Google account. We now go to the Security tab in the left-hand navigation and scroll down to the How you sign in to Google section. Next, we click on the password line here. And now we have to enter our current password to verify ourselves. So I enter my password and click on Next. This then gives me the option to set my new password, which I enter in the first box. There we go. And then we confirm the new password that we just entered in the box below. We then click on Change Password, and we're all done. Now remember, this does not only change the password for your Gmail access. This changes the password for all Google applications. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. Take care, and see you again soon.